One of the first things that salvation imparts to a man is zeal. You are not being fanatical, loving to pray, loving to talk about Jesus. It is the fruit of being born again. In fact, that's how we know you are really born again. That the zeal of God's house has eaten you up.